Because it doesn't look like you're going to either one of the restaurants. I'm
gonna take my time and I'm gonna go do what I gotta do. You can't tell me to do it right now, right away, like that. Nobody's trespassing me. The business haven't said anything. You can't trespass me just because you want to.
Here you go. I'm gonna need to see your ID, sir. Sir.
Time to go. Let's go. You need to leave.
Excuse me? Don't touch me.
What'd you pull this over for?
Hey, bud, I got a question. Are you the one that said losers out the window as you drove by?
I don't answer questions.
Okay, yeah, that was definitely you.
What happens when a police officer demands your ID without any legal justification? In today's video, an auditor stands his ground against officers who try to intimidate him into providing information they have no right to ask for. Will he remain firm and expose their lack of authority, or will they escalate the situation further? Stay tuned to find out.
So you matched the description of a man that was running from this apartment earlier, which is one reason why we're up here. So that's why I'm talking to you, okay? This Officer Carr, he's going to come. He probably had more information than I do. You just matched the description, so that's why I'm stopping to talk to you, okay?
Hey,
What's going on?
doing well. How are you?
I'm not doing too bad.
What's your name and badge number?
My name is Officer Carr, and my badge number is 9197.
197?
9197.
9197.
We're in front of Hilltop. It's your investigation side. Sorry, give me a second. 163. You go back to the park. So, reason we're contacting you is there was a report. Can you confirm that with apartment 1, please? Reason we're contacting you is somebody was saying that somebody may have been shot, and then they recently saw somebody running away from the apartment complex right about the same time that happened, and they're giving us a description of khaki pants, black sweater, beanie, and you happen to be in the area and matching the description pretty well, so come talk to you and see if you knew anything we didn't.
So somebody got shot at a Sparrow. Is that what you're saying?
No, I'm saying somebody's claiming somebody in the area may have been shot, and an individual matching your clothing description was seen running away from the area pretty quickly after that. Can I get your name real quick?
No, I don't think
You've
so.
got mine. I was hoping I could get yours.
Yeah, but you work for me. I don't work for you.
Okay. Where are you coming from?
I don't answer questions.
Okay, so, you know what I mean, at this point, you're matching the description of a suspect involved in an incident, so I kind of need to know what your name is.
Okay, so what's your reasonable, articulable suspicion that I was at Sparrow Apartments, other than I have a black
You're in the same area,
on me?
matching the description, and heading in the same direction, around the same time.
I think these guys behind me probably saw me walking up this hill just now.
They did. I think my
could ask
sergeant
them.
here saw you doing the same thing. So if you don't mind my asking, where are you heading?
I don't think I answer questions today.
What's up, yellow man? How are you, buddy?
That's pretty interesting, actually.
You and I don't record us, man. We have nothing to do with you guys.
Yeah, I understand. That is very interesting, though, to watch you doing that.
You're not in trouble, yellow man. Appreciate it. Have a good one.
Chaparro, are you hungry?
Good afternoon, sir.
Are you hungry, Chaparro?
Yeah.
All right, let's go get something to eat.
Good afternoon.
Yeah.
Are you conducting business at either
I'm
one of
gonna
these
go get
businesses?
something to eat,
'Cause
man.
we continue to get
Yeah.
complaints
about people being on this lot. So that's why I'm contacting anybody over here who's not going to their businesses. You apparently have been sitting here for some time because you've been filming me. So I'm curious as to whether or not you're going to go and buy food or you're going to sit in your car. Because if you're going to sit in your car,
that's business.
Hold on. I'm going to inform you that if you don't go to that business or this business, you
this
need
is
to
closed.
leave.
There's no business here.
Yes, there is. This is Big Lots.
It's closed. They closed it down how many years ago?
It's
not a bit.
It's open right now. It's Big Lots, sir. I just got a trespass letter on file from them probably 6 months ago. So I know that it's a business. So you can either exit your car and go to Wendy's, or you can go into Big Lots, but you can't loiter in the lot in your car.
And I have to do this right now just because you told me to?
Yes, or you can leave. Because it doesn't look like you're going to either one of the restaurants. I'm gonna
take my time and I'm gonna go do what I gotta do. You can't tell me to do it right now, right away like that. Nobody's trespassing me. The business haven't said anything. You can't trespass me just because you want to.
I'm telling you, they have letters on file with the Ventura Police Department telling us that if people are on their lot and they're not conducting business, they would like them to leave. So if you're not conducting business... I just told you I'm going to conduct business. Okay.
I'm going to take my time. I'm not going to rush.
Do you have an ID, sir?
I don't have to show you my ID.
Yes,
What crime did I commit? I'm going to go get food and you're over here harassing me? Just because I'm videotaping you? How much, brother?
I'm advising you of trespassing at this point, so I need your ID.
I'm getting out.
No, you're not. Don't get out of the car.
Why?
Do not get out of the car.
Am I detained?
Yes, you are.
For what crime? What crime am I detained for? Just because I was recording you? I'm going to get something to eat. My niece is with me.
You just told me you weren't going to leave.
I said I'm going to get something to eat. I'm just not going to jump out of the car when you tell me to.
Okay. What's your name, sir?
I'm not giving you my name. I haven't committed a crime. I'm going to go get something to eat.
I'm telling you why you're being detained and why I'm stopping you.
I haven't committed a crime.
But you just told me that you were not going to leave.
I said I'm going to get food. I'm going to conduct business.
So you're going to do that now?
Yes.
Okay.
But I'm not going to jump out of the car right when you tell me.
Well, you were just about to jump out of the car.
Well, you told me not to get out.
I'll wait for you to get out and go into business, and then I'll verify that you're doing business.
All right, am I detained or am I free to go?
You're free to leave.
Then don't harass me.
I'm not harassing you.
Yes, you are.
I'm going to everyone.
Okay, but I don't have to get out just because you're telling me to. You're not my boss, sir.
Okay, but
you're not going to make me jump out of my car just because you're telling me to.
At this point,
I'm going to get food.
At this point, if you're refusing to give me your ID because I'm detaining you for an advisement of trespass, that could be an issue for you. Now, I'm willing to just walk away and let you go get your food, but you weren't doing that. You were over here filming me, watching me do my thing. So that was not meaning you going over there and getting your food.
Is that against the law, though?
If you're not conducting, are we having the same discussion, sir, or are we having two different discussions? Okay, if you're going to go get food, that's fine.
Okay.
But there's other people that come onto this lot. All the neighbors complain about people loitering on this lot. Okay. So that's why I'm letting you know that if you're going to be here and not conducting business, you got to leave. If you're conducting business, that's great. Go conduct your business, sir. Okay. Thank you very much.
You work for me, sir. You work for me. I pay your taxes. I pay your check. So you're gonna harass me? Run my tags? Do you guys have a letter with a cop saying that they could trespass whoever when people park in your parking lot here at Wendy's?
I have 6 months working here and I don't see any letter.
Okay, I appreciate it. You don't gotta tell me your name. You're just a manager here, right?
Yeah.
Okay. What's your name and your badge number, sir?
491. Can I help you, sir?
And what's your last name?
Prater.
Prater?
Yeah, that's right, sir.
Thank you for lying to me. I just talked to him. You're lying. There's no paper trespassing.
There is a trespass.
I'm gonna go find a complaint with you. Just watch.
You can talk to the Ventura Police Department. There's a trespass letter for that business.
They don't have one over here. They don't. I just spoke to the managers. I got their name. They said there was no paperwork, no nothing that you guys have complained. But
I did not lie to you. You can follow up with the Ventura Police Department.
I will. See, your attitude will completely change right now.
It's not an attitude.
Nice to meet you, sir. What are we doing today? Taking pictures. Okay, you can take pictures.
That's correct. We'll tell this gentleman that because he's saying I can't.
Really be here on their property.
I'm not on their property. I'm on public property.
Okay.
Not only that, but right there it says public parking. I can go in that parking lot, right?
Okay, it's public.
I asked these guys, how do they?
Out here, you're in a street.
Well, that's because so I can be right here.
Well, it's a yellow curb as part of the street.
So I can be right here.
No, not really.
Oh, so you can't tell me to not be in the road. There has to be an easement.
Well, the roadway's dangerous. You're obstructing.
Am I not lit up bright enough?
Do you want to
am I not bright enough here? I mean, don't you think people can see me here? I'm in bright
Well, it's
You
still, they have to slow down and change their direction of travel.
Okay.
Why don't we go to the public parking lot and stand there and talk?
Technically, that's not public parking.
Okay.
It says public.
Okay.
It says public parking.
I mean, let's take it down.
It says public parking.
That's
It says public, but it says public.
Okay, I understand that. That doesn't mean that it is. Can we go over to this parking lot and talk?
Sure.
Okay. Come with me. I'll stop traffic for you. Right this way. You people have to stop. You can't be in the street.
Well, I'm following you. I wasn't in the street. I was following you.
You wanted to go to the parking lot. See that yellow striped area that's not a parking area? Let's go stand over there.
That looks like private property.
Well, they told me that this was actually public property over here. Okay? So you want to stand here?
I'm good right here.
Okay, well, I don't want you in the street. So you're safe up on the grass, okay? I don't want you to fall. I want you to scoot over in the grass for me.
You keep issuing directives, and I've been walking.
It's for your safety.
But you're not in charge of my safety. I am.
Well, if somebody hits you, then I got to do.
You're not in charge of my safety.
Did you have any purpose to be out here?
Yes.
What's that?
Officer accountability, building accountability.
Okay.
It's a First Amendment audit.
Okay.
And I'm just taking pictures of the building.
Okay.
You know, if they want to make an issue of it, I'll take pictures of every plate and every person that walks in and out of here.
Okay. People, you can take their picture. I don't have a problem with that.
They have a problem with it.
Well, you're in a property of a detention facility.
I'm not in the property.
Okay.
I'm on a public street.
And over here, you're okay. I think over there, you're in there. There's cameras. That's a detention facility.
Right, but they have layers of security. I'm making sure inmates aren't rappelling off the structure.
Okay.
I'm making sure that these guys respect and honor their oath.
I understand that, and that's why I'm here.
Okay.
You have First Amendment rights. Take pictures of anything you want.
And that guy threatened me.
Okay, well, that's between you and him.
No, that's between you and him.
That's not between me and him. I didn't hear him threaten you. Okay?
I can bring it up. It's all being live streamed.
Okay.
Would you like to see it?
No, that's okay.
So you don't want to talk to him about making threats?
I'll talk to him in a minute. I just want to make sure you're okay. I want you to stay here, okay? And I'm going to go talk to him. Can we do that? I'm going to separate the two parties in this dispute, apparently, and I'm going to go talk to this guy for a second.
Okay, I'll maintain distance here.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
Thank you, Sarge.
And your name is?
I'm a correspondent with Indiana News and Information.
Okay. Okay. Do you have a name?
Yes, sir.
I'm asking you to identify yourself because you're here, and we've obviously have a controversy. They're going to leave you alone. I'm going to depart here.
You're going to ask me to identify myself.
Yeah, name, date of birth. That's all I need.
No, sir.
Okay. You're refusing to identify yourself. You're in front of a detention facility.
Hold on. Before we get going, would that be code 34285 3.5?
What's that?
Would that be this minute code 34285 3.5?
Okay.
That'd be failure to ID. What crime have I committed?
I'm just trying to find out your name.
Yeah. But what crime have I committed?
I don't know that you're not a dangerous.
It's only in the case of an infraction or an ordinance violation.
I'll tell you what. You want to take your pictures, you go ahead.
Right.
Stay off of their property.
Yes, sir.
That's not public property. That is a public facility, but it is a detention facility.
Right. I understand that. I understand that.
Okay, good.
Yeah, that's why I was never on. That's why I was never on the property.
All right. Thank you very much.
So what did they say about this? I can be in the grass or the walkway.
Yep. That they tell me that is where the public parks when they come to their facility. Right. That, though it says public parking, is where their employees park. That is where juveniles are brought in.
Correct.
Okay. Now you can't film juveniles going into the facility. Then that's between you and the juvenile you film. So,
you can because they have no expectation of privacy in public. You already know that.
Sees his picture on YouTube. That might be a question, but him and you can resolve in civil court or whatever. Okay.
Well, there's nothing to it because you have no expectation of privacy in public.
That's up to civil court. All right. As long as you're not out here where you're going to get hurt and you're not going to hurt anybody.
Correct. I have no ill will or ill intent.
I don't know that.
Well, I'm telling you that I'm innocent until proven guilty.
People lie to me all the time.
Well, I can't help what other people do. I'm not.
You may be lying to me.
I'm not. I'm telling you I'm not.
How do I know that? I'm not.
Because right. Okay. But so you're saying that you're going to treat me as though I am lying? I mean, how dare you? I thought you were servant to the. I thought you were servant to the public.
None of what I hear and half of what I say.
I thought you were servant to the public.
I am.
Okay, so we're all terrible.
Do you just want to sit here and have?
No, I just can't believe you're calling me a liar, a thief, a cheat, a murderer.
I don't know you.
Right, I don't know you either. Do you have any internal affairs investigations?
I don't know. You'll have to ask internal affairs.
Do you have anything pending?
Not that I know of.
So is that Mr. Stone or Mr. Gladia? Which one do I ask?
That would be Captain John Zagelmeyer.
You want me to speak to Mr. Zagelmeyer?
You may, if you'd like.
I've spoken with him before. He knows who I am.
Okay. You're welcome to call him then if you know who he is. I'm okay.
Oh, yes.
I have
Oh,
nothing
yes.
to hide.
I have his card.
My life's an open book. All right? I'll be right back.
Thank you, sir. I appreciate it. Thank you for your time.
Once again, knowing your rights makes all the difference. These officers tried to pressure an innocent citizen into giving up his ID, but he knew the law and stood firm. The Fourth Amendment protects you from unlawful searches and seizures. Never let an officer intimidate you into waiving your rights. What would you have done in this situation? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. What happens when a power-hungry sergeant tries to unlawfully trespass a citizen from a public building only to be schooled on the law and humiliated in the process? In this explosive encounter, an auditor stands firm, refuses to back down, and exposes the shocking ignorance of those who swore to uphold the Constitution. How will this officer react when faced with the truth? Stay tuned to find out.
Weren't you just up there?
Huh?
Weren't you just up there?
No, I think I came from downstairs.
Do you have an ID, sir?
Yeah, I do.
Can I see that, please?
Oh, certainly. Actually, if I could freaking find it, maybe.
Where are you from?
No, I was thinking about moving here.
Oh, yeah. No, your real ID.
Yeah, this is.
No,
I'm Billy Buttcrack.
the real ID.
Oh, you need the real one?
Yeah.
Son of a gun. Here you go. I got some ID right here. The D.
Yeah, why don't you have 10-2 come over here? What's that?
I got the ID. Here you go.
Driver's license.
Oh. Here you go. I'm gonna need to see your ID, sir. Sir?
Time to go. Let's go. You need to leave.
Excuse me? Don't touch me.
Touch you? You need
Yeah,
to
you
leave.
just did. You just bumped
You
me.
need
Why?
to leave.
For what? What did I do wrong?
You were told to leave by me.
For what? What crime?
Let's go.
What crime did I do? I'm here to get papers.
Let me see it.
No, you could
Didn't
look
you
right
get
here.
papers?
Excuse me?
Didn't you already get your papers?
I think you need to slow your roll right now.
Slow my roll?
Yeah. You know you work for
Come on
me?
down here. Come on down here.
For what?
Come on.
I committed no crime.
Come on.
I'm here to look at papers, get papers,
Let's go.
see what services you provide.
Right now.
Well, you could tell all day, but I followed the law.
Come on.
I followed the law. I'm going to continue getting my paperwork.
You're the deputy. Come on.
What did I do wrong? You guys can't, this ain't Russia. You can't just make up rules yourself. I did nothing wrong. He's on a power trip. I did nothing wrong. I'm here to get papers.
Okay. Mike?
What was your name and badge? Buchanan
Well, I
County.
gave you my name and badge, and you haven't given me your name and badge.
Because you're a public servant. Did you forget?
Doesn't matter.
It does. Did you forget? You work for me.
No.
You work for the people.
Do you live in Buchanan County?
It's none of your business. Yeah, that's what I thought.
Why are you being this way?
Why are you, tyrant? What's so funny, little boy?
I don't know.
Why can't you just respect our rights? What's the First Amendment? Do you know? Didn't think so. It's a shame that you guys swore an oath to uphold the Constitution, yet you don't even know the First Amendment.
You like the Broncos?
No, I like freedom is what I like. Apparently you guys don't.
You're still free, aren't you?
Not by you. You want to be a little tyrant. Hey, get out of the public building.
I haven't.
Hey, he went up. Yeah, because you're not going to. And if you do, guess what? We'll have fun in court.
I like your camera.
We'll have
I've
fun
been
in
to court
court.
100 times.
Guess what? Have you violated someone's rights? Of course you have. But guess what? You ain't going to violate mine without repercussions.
I like your camera. What brand?
I like your facial hair.
Thanks.
It looks actually kind of good.
Thanks, I appreciate it.
Yeah. You should probably grow some too. Not enough testosterone?
Too much.
Oh, okay. Hey, how about I have a task for you?
Nope.
The Bill of Rights, go read the First Amendment, because you don't know what it is, pal.
What do you mean?
What do you mean? What am I doing
I
right
asked you a
now?
question you didn't answer.
Yeah, because you're a public servant. Guess what? You don't even know the Fourth Amendment. That's how sad you are. Go read it. Freedom of the press is what I'm doing, right?
Are you with the press?
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Do you have a press pass?
Are you really that low IQ? This is America. The press passes in the Bill of Rights and the Constitution. Oh, you didn't know that, huh?
No, you're educating me.
I know, that's bad. If I know your job way more than you, imagine swearing an oath to the Constitution yet you don't know.
Can you educate me?
Yes. What's the First Amendment? What 5 protections are in the First
You're
Amendment?
not answering my questions.
I don't have to. I don't have to. You work for me. Don't forget that.
Okay.
And maybe when you want to try violating someone's rights, you might want to read the First Amendment and the Fourth
You
Amendment.
keep talking about these amendments, but you haven't told. You're not educating me.
Yeah, are you really that clueless that I have to do your job for you? You swore an oath to the Constitution, yet you can't even recite the First Amendment. That's pathetic, and you got stripes.
Okay.
That's bad. You're a poor
I've
leader.
asked you to leave.
For what crime? I did nothing wrong. I literally just got a passport, and you're over here harassing me. For what?
I'm not harassing you.
Yes, you are. Hey, did you already go upstairs? Leave. You gotta leave.
Did you go?
No. I already told you that when you first asked.
Okay.
So stop harassing me. Go read the Constitution, pal. Yeah, I look like that too, because you're looking like a fool. It's bad. You got all these stripes, all these time and service on your arm, but yet you don't even know the Constitution, the oath you swore to uphold and protect. You work for we the people. Don't you dare forget that. Don't you dare forget that. You do work for me. You do work for me. How dare you dishonor all those that have fought and died for these freedoms? How dare you? And you're just going to cross your arms like a beta male. Yeah, I mean, he's doing the wrong thing. He needs educated. This is disgusting what he's doing. Okay. Oh, do you want to know what happened when I came in here? Guess what? I'm being so polite to everybody. I go in here, go in the clerks. I ask them, hey, what services do you guys provide here? And you know what? I got a passport information right here because this is what I'm looking for. I'm here to go in all these offices. And this guy right here, he should not have stripes for one. That's disgusting how you treat the public. 2, he's yelling at me. Hold on, little man. Number 2, I'm in here to check out the public building. Public. Don't forget that. And he's over here harassing me. Hey, you already went up there. No, you got to leave. Get out of here. No, I don't have to leave.
You're the one demeaning us.
Demeaning you?
Yes.
Really? What's the First Amendment? What a shame. What a shame. Because you're a public servant. Did you forget? Guess what? This job right here is a lot. The public expects you to do your job correctly. That oath that you swore actually means something. You know how many men fought and died for these freedoms that we have? And you're over here trying to give me a hard time for what?
Why are you giving me a hard time?
Because you work for me. I did nothing wrong to you. What have I done to you? What have I done to you?
You're not giving us your name.
I don't have to. What's the Fourth Amendment, buddy? Is this your first day on the job? I mean, come on. You got to be better than this. Captain, is this what do you accept this behavior?
What do you need?
Well, I've just got here. I'm going to each one of these buildings, asking what services they provide. I'm getting certain things, like I just got a passport info because I'm going to fill it out and get a passport. And I'm here checking out the building. Then I get harassed by this deputy. It's disgusting, his behavior.
Well, check out the building.
Exactly. Why couldn't we do that in the first place? So you have no problem?
No.
Exactly. Do you have a problem now?
Captain says it's fine.
Yeah, and he says it's fine because maybe, he appreciates the Constitution. He at least, at minimum, he understands
Just
it.
don't interrupt or go back into any place that you're not allowed.
Exactly, and I don't. Exactly, and I don't.
That's all I ask.
Yeah, that's fine with me.
Certain parts of the building are not limited.
Yeah, it'll say restricted or certain signs.
Just, anything that's open to the public, if you want to go in and
Exactly.
go ahead and do it.
Okay.
That would be my recommendation. Don't stand around and argue with us on it. Just go ahead and.
It shouldn't be them arguing with me. It's the thing.
Either way.
Okay.
Just go in and
Well, there we go. There, at least the captain knows, Sergeant.
Okay.
You might have to take some lessons up. Go home, maybe just check out the Bill of Rights, because you don't know it.
Thank you for your advice.
Yeah, no problem. And thank me for my service, too, because your service is not good.
Okay, well, just.
Bad boy.
Understand there's certain areas you can't go.
Oh, I'm well aware.
You can certainly go into whatever the public is, as long as you're not disrupting.
Yeah, exactly.
The people.
And I don't.
The people that are coming in and out need to do business here,
Yeah.
okay?
Yep. No worries.
All right.
There you go. Thanks, Captain. Hey, Sergeant, maybe you'll learn one day.
Thank you.
No problem. It's all right.
Once again, we see why knowing your rights is essential. This sergeant thought he could intimidate and remove someone from a public building without legal grounds, but he was met with a lesson in constitutional law. Police officers are not above the law, and it's up to us to hold them accountable. What would you do in this situation? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. A simple hand gesture leads to an outrageous traffic stop. This officer, fueled by ego rather than law, decides to pull someone over not for a traffic violation, but for exercising their First Amendment rights. What follows is an intense battle of rights versus authority, where the driver refuses to be intimidated. Will the officer back down, or will this escalate even further? Stay tuned to find out.
They got no reason to pull us over.
Hey, is there a problem?
Yeah, this deputy told you I already explained it to you. Get your license, registration, proof of insurance.
What'd you pull us over for?
Hey, bud, I got a question. Are you the one that said losers out the window as you drove by?
I don't answer questions.
Okay, yeah, that was definitely you. And that is loud and boisterous conduct upon a public roadway. That's public disorderly conduct.
Here's my license.
So that's what you pulled us over for, is you thought you heard somebody say something?
What's that one over there? Mister, I don't answer questions.
Hey, listen here, you idiot. You work for us.
Nope.
You're a public servant.
Nope.
You're supposed to be professional, not me. I don't have a code of conduct to go by. You do.
Okay.
Name and badge number?
We don't have badge numbers, bud.
Yeah, that's a lie. What's your name and badge number?
We don't have badge numbers. What would you like, my computer number?
Why did he give me a number and you can't?
Because he gave you his computer number, bud. It's 14-0.
You need to calm down. You need to calm down and go learn about some professionalism.
Okay.
You're going to hear from my lawyer.
I can't wait.
This is an illegal stop. You have to witness a traffic violation or suspect us of a crime.
Yeah, I was going to say, would you like to hear the traffic violation?
Yes, actually, I will.
Yeah, because we wasn't speeding. We don't have any lights out. Didn't do anything wrong. This is a retaliatory stop for something that you thought you heard.
No, by the way, lights are required 1 hour before dusk. Just FYI.
Oh, yeah, I can't wait. This is going to be great. Why don't you get your supervisor over here?
I'm not required to. You can ask for one.
Well, I'm asking for one. That's what I just did.
Okay. Yeah, you can ask for one.
Yeah, I'm asking for a supervisor.
Bravo 3310.
Matter of fact, get Lieutenant Cawthorn out here.
619-220 on the grounds. Yeah, who?
Lieutenant Cawthorn.
I don't work for Lieutenant Cawthorn.
Yes, you do. You work for the sheriff's office. He is your supervisor. Get him out here.
He's not my supervisor.
Okay. You're going to learn soon.
Okay.
So are you not going to get a supervisor out here?
Yeah, it's all up to date. I just am a little frazzle-dazzled. There.
Or you're not getting a supervisor out here?
I'm not.
Okay, cool. Brooks.
Okay. Will you do me a favor? You just step out of the vehicle so I can explain this to you.
No. Can you not explain
You
to
gotta get out. If he has to get out of the car, you get
really? And explain what?
No court, no fine. I just want to speak to you.
Can you
Don't answer any questions. Yeah, I want to be present with the conversation.
I need him to be present for me. Will you come talk to me here?
Are you going one?
I would like to.
I would like to explain the citation that I'm issuing you, not him. So if you would do me a favor, you speak with my dude. You'll have that. So I stopped you for 2 reasons.
Okay.
First reason is when you came on the 28th, you didn't signal 100 feet prior to turning on the 20. Your breaker has to be initiated before 100 feet before you turn on the 28th. So I pulled you over for that. And when he's hanging out of the window, those can be misconstrued as arm signals, otherwise known as turn signals. When he's holding the bird out, if somebody else construes that as you turning and you don't turn, somebody pulls out in front of you and hits you.
Okay.
Is that fair?
No, I don't agree with it, but I see where you're coming from.
This is going in as a contact only. There's no court. There's no fine.
Okay.
Do you have any questions for me?
No.
Fine. Here's all of your information back.
Thank you.
Here's a warning.
Thank you.
Drive safe.
All right. Oh, can he get your card?
We don't have cards.
You gotta write your information down. Hey.
Just please just.
And you're not going to
Write your information down on your information, your contact information.
Okay. I don't have.
You're a public servant. Write your information down.
Would you like to go obtain a copy of the general orders at the sheriff's office? I'm not required to give you a copy.
I don't have to do anything. You work for me. I don't work for you.
Get it recorded right there.
Okay.
Wait to see it on YouTube. Have a good day, bud. Good rest of the day.
Do you have a card, bud?
I do not. We're not issued cards.
Can you write your name and information down? I appreciate you not being hostile. I don't appreciate that.
Listen to me. My name is on the citation.
Okay.
If you have any issues, you can call. And that call service number that's assigned to this stop, I have his number now.
Thanks.
This is why knowing your rights is crucial. Freedom of speech is protected under the First Amendment, and flipping off an officer is not a crime. Yet, this officer used their badge to retaliate, proving once again why accountability is so important. What would you have done in this situation? Drop a comment below and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more.